We've all been there, hunting for that one perfect item to complete a 3D project, only to settle for something that's almost right. But what if you didn't have to? What if you could take the items that actually matter, the ones with a story, and drop them straight into your 3D render? That's exactly what we are doing today. What's up guys, Nuno here. Today we are diving into Hyper 3D, an AI-powered platform that generates and edits 3D models from real photos, image generations and text descriptions. With a total of 5 generation modes, from the one that returns a model in just 4 seconds up to the maximum details, the first tool delivers more than 10 million polygons. What's great about this is that you can create objects from your clients, the ones that make a space feel like it actually belongs to someone. I'll be creating 3D models from personal objects of a friend of mine who wanted to renovate a space. He wanted to redesign a room, but there were 3 items that absolutely had to be in it: a Formula 1 car miniature, a fighter jet model, and a guitar with a seriously unique paint scheme. Let's get into it. Now let's start with the one I was most curious about, the guitar. My friend is a musician and his space needed to reflect that. Not just the guitar, but his guitar with the frets, the pickups, the strings, and this beautiful faded color that looks like it spent the summer at the beach. All you have to do now is take 4 photos. This can be with a camera or even your smartphone. Upload them to Hyper 3D, and from there we can already see the versatility of the tool. You have several detail levels to choose from, so let's actually test them all and see how the result changes at each step. And the first thing you'll notice, even at the lowest setting, you get a preview in just 4 seconds. For this test, we'll be looking at all levels, paying close attention to how the strings and fine details come through. So we go through each one, hit generate, and see for yourself. Once you've locked in on extreme high, here's how the workflow goes. You confirm the 3D geometry, and if you're not happy with something, ask Hyper 3D to redo it. It will create a new model based on the same image. Once the geometry is locked in, you can move to textures. You can apply custom textures or let Hyper 3D handle it natively, which is what I prefer. It stacks your source images and maps the textures onto the model automatically. Now if you hover over this info icon, you can see all the textures it created, and you can click on them to visualize each one. And on the top left, you can swipe through the different preview modes available. And on the right bottom, you have the options to download with different file formats and texture resolution. Just select the one you want and hit download. And here's how the model looks. For something generated by AI, it looks really clean. The strings are something I would have expected to fail, but they are done decently. Next up, the fighter jet. Same process for images, this time top, bottom and both sides. And in minutes, we've got a full 3D model. Jolly Roger skulls on the vertical stabilizer of the F-14 intact. That detail had to make it in, and it did. And finally, the F1 car, a 1:43 scale model, tiny but full of character. And with 5 photos, 4 sides plus the top, we go straight to extreme high, hit generate, and in just 80 seconds, the detail this thing pulls from 5 photos, it's really impressive. Is it perfect? Not quite. Some of the many car logos are not 100% accurate, but visually it is clearly a strong representation of our model car. More than enough to sit at a friend's desk and look like it belongs there. So just export, drop it into your render, and it's done. Here are all 3 assets rendered. For me, the best use of this type of tools is that it's a personal connection between the person and their space, built from the things they already know and love. But we're just getting started. Let's talk about another feature, text to 3D. Sometimes sourcing 3D plants is a nightmare. So instead of searching, let's just ask. Create a vase with white orchids, tall flowers, white vase. Instantly, you get a generated still image. Not quite right? Hit refresh until it clicks. From there, you are back into the same familiar flow. Confirm the geometry, finalize the textures. That's it, that fast. Hyper 3D isn't just a time saver, it's a way to bring something real into your renders. It's your style, your client's personality, your brand, whatever. These are some of the assets that no online asset libraries will ever have, because they only exist in one place. And now you can put them anywhere. Every asset you saw in this video was generated in minutes, and Hyper 3D makes it all possible. And if you want to try Hyper 3D, use my code and get started with 30 days free. The link will be in the description below. If this video was helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.